Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a small Dollar Tree and Walmart haul to share with you. I actually have a huge Dollar Tree haul probably posted before this one. That will be linked probably in the cards. And this is a totally different day. Like 2 days later I went back to the Dollar Tree basically when I needed to go to Walmart. So let's get started. Connor is really fond of this YouTube channel called Kid City, K-City Gaming, something like that. And they do like Royal Rumble WWE style, and they have this tiered shelf. So this is my reasoning for running in. They have this tiered shelf, and they have the one that is more expensive at Walmart basically. And I picked up this tiered shelf or step shelf from Home Essentials at the Dollar Tree, which I'm going to line with this. It's a vinyl top liner, and I'm going to line that so his little men don't fall through, because this is a really cheap alternative. And then I picked up this wire white Home Essentials basket, and I am going to make him a makeshift WWE kind of ring, a DIY kind of thing. I'm not going to make a video of it or anything. It's just going to be something simple. He's going to want this today most likely, and I'm going to make him a shelf. Probably just put some black string or something just to make some rope lines so he can bash his characters out of here. It just was a cheap alternative to the equipment that they use in their videos. So $3, and he's going to be able to recreate their little video scenario. So also I picked up this big black storage item. I have an idea for this, but I'm more leaning towards not using it now for my eyeshadow palettes, so I don't know yet. And then this was new to my store, an April Bath and Shower Coconut Infused Exfoliating Bath Pad. So I picked this up to try, and that's all I got at the Dollar Tree, except for some paper towels and some antibacterial that I picked up from my nanny. Now on to the Walmart stuff. A lot of essentials, a few fun items. So let's get these like essential things out of the way. We'll change the camera angle. But I picked up more children's multivitamins. This Mr. Bubble Magic Bath Crackles. We've had these before. Connor loves them. Some of these Shea Butter Baby Wipes. I also got a bag of dog food. And I picked up some of this Ivory dish soap because one of my family members is a dog groomer, and we have a close friend that's a dog groomer as well. And Ivory dish soap works well for bathing dogs. It's gentle on them, but it is a flea killer. So it's warm enough now. And we're giving Oscar some baths outside. That's for him. I picked him up some flea medication, and so this weekend I'm gonna get his nails clipped. He's gonna get bathed, and he's going to get his flea medication. We all know how fast kids grow. Oh, I needed to pick up Connor a couple more pairs of shorts. But I picked him up these knit, like charcoal-y kind of gray shorts. And then also these gray shorts. And these are more like the school uniform shorts, but more for like church and stuff. So I just picked up this pair and this pair to go with the other pair he has. And now he has 3 new pairs of shorts to go tie in with the older shorts that he can still get into. I changed the camera angle because I wanted to show these items closer. There's a few fun makeup-y items in the rest of the haul. The rest of the haul is basically personal kind of hygiene kind of things and makeup. So I picked up this travel size Skintimate Raspberry Rain Moisturizing Shave Gel just because I don't want a full bottle. I just got this travel size one because I typically, in warmer weather, I've said it 1,000 times now, I use conditioner to dry shave my legs out. The Olay Fresh Outlast Notes of Watermelon and Agave body wash. I actually have the Star Apple and I'm almost out, and I wanted to repurchase that one. They didn't have it today, not one single bottle, so I picked up this watermelon scent instead, and it smells so good. You get 22 fluid ounces. So moisturizing on the skin. I really love this Olay body wash. This also is a repeat purchase, just a different scent. Tree Hut, and this is the Cotton Candy Shea Sugar Scrub. I still have a little bit of my Bohemian Escape scrub left, but I picked up the Cotton Candy today. This smells absolutely yummy, and I love this stuff now. I am hooked. I'm a fan forever now. as long as my Walmart will carry it. I also grabbed some new skincare items today. So I grabbed the St. Ives Blackhead Clearing Scrub, and this is green tea and bamboo scrub. Clears blackheads and unclogs pores. I've been noticing lately, and this is a new improved formula and stuff. I don't know, I've never used this before. I have had the Clean and Clear Blackhead Scrub, and I used to buy it all the time and use it, but I quit. This is a moderate exfoliator, and I just have a lot of blackhead issues going around the nose, which is typically always, but more and more so lately, I've become annoyed with it. So I'm going to try this scrub out. I also got a new exfoliating like scrubbing pad too at the Dollar Tree, so I'm going to use these together. I'm going to be really gentle with my skin too, because I know that stuff can be abrasive. So this box is totally beat up. I wanted this so badly. There was only 2 left, and both boxes look like this. It's fine in the box. I, opened the lid and looked down in it. But it is a replumping, well, from Garnier Green Labs. This is a replumping serum cream with 24-hour moisture, serum, and sunscreen. And Hallelujah Melon. And it has hyaluronic acid and watermelon. Dehydrated skin and fine lines. But I don't know, the older I get, I'm 34, just turned 34 in May, I think more about skincare and stuff now and different things. But I saw a bunch of reviews of this online actually, and I was really intrigued. This is a bit pricey. It was $17, which is the most, I believe, honestly, I have ever paid for a skincare item. But like I said, I'm more in tune to my skin now because I'm older. They also had a facial wash with this as well that you can pick up for $7. I left that behind because I really needed a blackhead clearing scrub. Like I said, I've been real annoyed with the blackhead area in my pores lately, so I'm going to give that a whirl. And then I picked up a couple e.l.f. items, and I was actually looking for that L'Oreal 24-hour powder, but they only had 2 shades left at my store, and they were definitely not my skin tone, so I had to leave without that. I had wanted this online, and they were always sold out of it when I placed my orders. It's the Cleansing Cloud, and I believe this was $4 or $6, but you get 2 of them in there. And recently you get a white and a black, and recently I've been trying my best to eliminate as much cotton rounds as I can from my routine. So I'm doing really good with that actually, and I just need to add a few more things to help me along the way, because I do not do laundry every day. I do laundry once a week, so therefore by the time I get around to doing laundry, all of my reusable pads and makeup erasers are dirty. So I need more because of that. Because I'm in a routine where I actually fold and put away all of my laundry, dry my laundry, fold, put away, sort, all that stuff, all in the same day. I don't care if it's 2 loads, if it's 3 loads, if it's more loads than that. It all gets done usually on Saturdays, and I am determined. I am so routined on that, stuck in that routine, that I won't break it. So I'm not washing before then, if that makes any sense. And then the real reason for looking around in the makeup actually, besides the L'Oreal powder, is I wanted like a very white light concealer that I am going to use only on my eyelids. I've had this in the past before, used it on my skin. I had the wrong shade, so I wasn't a big fan. Today I repurchased Fair Rose. I believe this is the same one that I got rid of not too long ago in a declutter, but I want this for my lids. I hope it's comparable to my Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas, because I'm actually almost out of that, and it's just not readily available in any stores near me. I don't have an Ulta, I don't have a Sephora. I have to order online. I don't want to do that. So I got the lightest camo concealer they had at Walmart. I wanted white, but there was no white concealers there. So I just got that to suffice and test out. If it doesn't work, it was only $6. And last but not least, y'all, I picked up this beautiful gloss that I seen in, someone's recent video. I want to say maybe Oh My Glashes video or someone's. Anyways. And this is the Mint Melt e.l.f. Plumping Gloss. It's called Mint Sparkle. And I'm not a big gloss fan, but this looked absolutely stunning on her lips, and I felt I needed it. I just needed it. So that, my friends, is my Walmart and recent Dollar Tree haul. So I thank you guys so very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links. Check the cards. Stay tuned for more haul videos. And thank you so much for watching.